Hello everyone, my name is Garvit Trivedi and this project is Assets Flow. It is designed to help organization manage to complex life cycle of their assets. Instead of maintaining a spreadsheet or multiple disconnected application, Assets Flow provide one centralized platform where organization can store all company assets, assign assets to employee, trace assets ownership, manage maintenance, book shared resources, perform inventory audit, generate report, and use the AI to automate complex tasks. So the main objective is to solve the problem where company face such as losing track of company assets, double booking shared resource, manual maintenance tracking, time consuming inventory audit, poor visibility into asset usage, manual paperwork for employees. So Asset Flow automate this task while ensuring data security through role-based access control. So there are the four different roles. Each role has different permission. First, we go with the admin. So admin represent the IT director or operation head. So first we go log in the admin section. Admin, it, row, here, password. Sorry. So this is admin dashboard. Now the role has completely control over the entire system. View every asset in the company, manage all users, allocate assets, return assets, approve, transform, manage maintenance, create inventory audit, generate company report, manage department, and manage assets category. Use all AI features. So the only the admin can do, it can create a department, the organization setup, it can create department, delete department, modify organization structure, manage assets category. Think as the admin of the owner of the entire system. So through this, it can control over all their system. Now we can log out and going to the next role, assets manager. So first we can log in that dashboard. So this is manager dashboard. Now manager is responsible for maintaining all company assets on the daily basis. The responsibility of manager is view all the assets, allocate assets, return assets, handle maintenance, approve transform, run audit, view report, and use AI tools. So the what is difference between admin and manager? The assets manager can manage assets but cannot modify the organization setup or structure. They cannot do the create department, delete department, or edit any company setup. So this is person who responsible for the complete assets lifecycle. Now we can see all the section from there, the notification. Now we go with the next role, department head. So department head manage only one department assets. Like first we can sign in with department. So this is the department dashboard. So the what is department manager can do? Its responsibility view department assets, approve transfer request for team member, book share resource for the department, view department statics, use AI chatbot. So the restriction of the department, allocate assets, return assets, create maintenance, and run audit. Think as a manager of the single department. So you can resource booking, maintenance, audit, or now the last role is employee, a regular staff member. First, we log in as an employee. So this is the employee dashboard. So it is a regular staff member's responsibility to view only assigned assets, request asset, transform, booking, maintaining room, report issue, use AI chatbot to do all the tasks if it not able to do continue with. Now the restriction of the employees allocate assets, return assets, approve request, view report, and manage department. So if we compare the roles, admin can assets all the access of the assets, complete system control, assets manager, all the assets, asset lifecycle management, department head do department assets and team approve and department booking. And as an employee, their own assets control and daily asset uses. Now we go with the building of the modern technology with the that project access flow. We use the React and TypeScript plus White in front end, starting with CSS plus utility classes. For managing state management, use JustState. For backend, use Node.js Express plus TypeScript. For database, we use PostgreSQL 16. Use Cache Redis. Use AI services using the Python plus FastAPI plus Google Gemini. And use the Docker for containerization. Why this stack I use? React provide the fast and responsive UI. TypeScript improve code safety. Express make the API development simple. PostgreSQL provide strong data integrity. Redis improve performance. Python is ideal for the AI services, and Docker makes deployment easy. So we choose the PostgreSQL because it provides advanced enterprise level database features. Like used to booking management, it prevents two users for booking the same meeting room or resource at the same time. Employee can instantly search thousands of assets using name or asset tag. To use indexing, enum type, every status has predefined values. So asset status available, allocated, under maintenance, no valid status can enter the database. Now using the unique partial index, one asset can have only one active allocation at a time. Now we can use the AI. In that, we use the three AI agent powered by the Google Gemini. Instead of the simple answering question, this agent perform real business tasks. First AI agent is predictive maintenance. Its purpose is predict future assets failure, like read maintenance history from the database. AI analyze frequency failing assets, recurring issue, maintenance pattern, critical equipment. And the output is produce the report showing high risk assets, maintenance recommendation, priority reaction. Second AI agent we use smart auditor. Uh, Purpose is automate inventory audit. Read all the audit result, AI analysis, missing assets, damaged assets, misplaced assets, unusual patterns. And the output is create an edit report including detection, risk assets, improvement recommendation. This save hours of manual audit work. Third AI agent, we use the AI chatbot. The chatbot allow employee to interact with the system using natural language. Instead of filling forms, use a simple type command like for example, show my assets, booking meeting room B2, transfer my laptop to Raj, report issue with my laptop. So how it is work? The chatbot use the JSON React loop. The user send a message. Gemini understand the request. Gemini generate a structured JSON action. The backend execute the database operation. The result is sent back to the Gemini. The Gemini replies in the simple English. So if we talk about the workflow of the project, admin or assets manager select the assets, select the employee, allocate assets, employee receive the notification, and database ensure only one active allocation. Now transfer request. Employee request transfer, manager or department head approve, old allocation close, new allocation created. If it booking any system, user selection, meeting room, vehicle, shared equipment, select time, PostgreSQL check the booking conflicts and booking created. For maintenance, employee report the issue, manager approve, work start, issue resolved, and AI analyze maintenance history. If we talk about the infrastructure, the project is fully centralized using Docker, running the one command, start the complete application. The containers PostgreSQL to database, Redis to cache, Express server to backend API, React client to frontend, and Fast API to AI services. So the main key features in the project is role-based access control, secure JWT authentication, Postgres data integrity, AI predictive maintenance, AI smart auditor, AI chatbot, asset allocation, asset transfer, resource booking, maintenance management, inventory audit, company report, notification system, immutable active logs, and Docker-based deployment. So Asset Flow is a more than the traditional asset management system. It combines secure role-based access control, enterprise-grade PostgreSQL features, modern full-stack development, and three AI-powered assistant to simplify asset management from allocation and maintenance to intelligent audit and natural language interaction. Asset Flow automate the complete asset lifecycle while ensuring accuracy, security, and scalability. Thank you.